Hi guys, this is Scott LaFall with my video demonstration for CSC 310 Module 1, and I chose Cloud Database, and specifically I worked with Google Firestore. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through my code real quick. My dependencies, Firebase, admin, and some other basic dependencies, Google Cloud. I've got some trigger code here that is trapping for changes in the database. And then I've got some basic functions, display record, read the whole set of records, update a field, remove it, delete or remove an index, add an index, delete a document, which would be delete a record, delete a field. This is a function that I was working on, but it's not required. It's not even an enhancement. It's to delete multiple records based on a field value. So I still need to implement that fully. Add a document, and then I built an input menu with 10 choices, trapping, doing some validation, inputting, and so basically just a little database system to make it run so I can demonstrate. And that's the code. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Takes a moment to connect up the first time. Okay. And I do run the existing records to the screen here just to demonstrate what's in there. I can display a single record. And that's actually my record. This is a little student database is what this is. So this is me, Scott LaFall. And I can pull up any other record. If I do one, it displays the whole collection of records. And I would, if I was going to do this for moving on as an enhancement, I would do a different, like a tabular display instead of just the JSON. And to update a field, I'll do median, and I'll update my state. And we'll update it to Massachusetts. And you can see that my state is now Massachusetts. I can remove an index from the record. All the major fields are indexed. So I'm going to, I'll just remove the last name index from this particular record, and it is now gone. And now I'm going to, the next one is to add an index in. So I'm just going to add that index right back on. Last name, and there it is right there. I've got delete a student record, delete a field from a student record, add a field to a student record. So I can just add any field. They don't have, the records do not have to have the same exact field. It's very different from regular relational database. I can add a new student record. This number 9 here is the one I was working on when I ran out of time. Delete multiple student records using a value, like it's basically a query type of operation. And then an exit. So hit enter to exit. And that's it. I didn't have time to demonstrate each and every function. I didn't know. I hope that's not required. Got my, sorry. I've got my README here. And then over here, let me pause this for 1 sec. And then over here, I've got my GitHub repository, and this is my database. I've got my student records right here. This is the list. I've got classes and registrations, and that's the whole thing. Thank you very much.